Hi guys, I'm Mom Bear with Many. Today's video, we are going to go to the doctor's. You probably won't see too much of that, but he was making some awfully cute smiles, so I got some cute little smiles on there for you because people have asked to see more of Azariah's little smiles. So we had a doctor's appointment, and then after the doctor's appointment, we went to a super Walmart that has an escalator in it. Yes, an escalator and an elevator. We got a couple things, and then we went to a Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to give you that haul afterwards. So I hope you enjoy the video.
You want to tell us to do it? What'd you get? Did you get coffee? It looks yummy.
What are you doing, Bubs? I'm going to elevator. Push the button. You like the music? I don't know, one maybe?
No, this is one, so it must be two.
We're checking out this Walmart. It is a Walmart that has an escalator, elevators, and like a cart escalator, which is kind of cool. We have a happy baby now.
Down. No, one. Yeah, no. Which one?
We're gonna visit all the floors.
Apparently.
Do you want to visit all the floors, Azariah? Were you chewing on your blanket because you're getting some teethies? Yeah. Is that silly to have those in a bag? Look at the cart. Hi guys, I'm Mama Bear Many. I am mom to 15 children, and today I'm just going to go over some things that I bought at Dollar Tree, which is right up the road from us. And my daughter said it's a really big Dollar Tree, and it really is. I can see actually they had some food items, but I wasn't in there like for food items. I specifically wanted a few kitchen items, and I wanted a couple like playthings for the kids and see what they had, and then something to go over my door so I could hang the bags up behind my door. So just like in some of the other Dollar Trees, some items are not $1. So some items here, I will mention the price of them as I paid it, but they're not all $1. Okay, we're gonna start down here. These were from Walmart, not from there. Okay, so I got two things of socks, 1 and 2, because last time I saw my younger children did not have matching socks, and those socks are going to be for church or when we go out. I don't know where all the socks I bought are. So last 2 times we had soup. Everyone had a spoon, except when I went to get soup, there was no spoons left, so I had to wash a spoon. So apparently we don't have enough spoons in the house. So I got 4 packets of spoons. These are all $1.25 each. I'll only mention if it's not $1.25. How about that? So all of these lip balms, this is the kind that works really well for our family. I ended up buying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of those. Bought 7 of these lip balms. Stash those away. I got this basket for $1.25. I got these Bubble Fun, a huge thing of bubbles. It was $5 as you can see, but we needed some bubbles. We just had little wands, so we need something to refill the wands with, and then I also got some other things I'll show you in a minute. So we got these containers. I thought these were a great size, especially to bring snacks out someplace. So yes, I think they'll stack nice as well. I got 4 of those, and the lids were not with the container. they were like way in another section. So I was glad that we were able to find those lids. Here are just some sand toys. Obviously, we are by the beach and we needed some toys. So these were $1.25. $1.25. I got this basket for $3. I got these little sticky things. I was hoping they had the Velcro ones, but I got these little sticky things. I thought we have very little space. Literally, we have like right there in the driveway. So these little sticky things might be fun for the kids. These little things to like throw up in the air. And then I figured if we went someplace, then these bigger things, which were $5 a piece, would be helpful. So there's a giant badminton thing, and then there's also a ball. But these felt a lot more secure and sturdier. Then they had some smaller, just metal framed badminton things, and the badminton, what are these called? Birdies, 4 packs for $1.25. But I decided to get the ones that seemed a little bit more sturdy. Then got a sandcastle bucket. We got 3 buckets with shovels, and then I got some children's children's paintbrushes. I got 2 things. These are like the bubble sets that you fill, and then like if they dump, they do dribble. It's not like it's completely like not gonna spill at all, but it's a lot less than if they dumped the whole container over. What did you get? You got sunglasses? Can you see me now? They're big? Little. Yeah, so then I got these containers here. I have some crafty type supplies that I just wanted it not to look so disorganized. So I just got 4 of these, hoping to use those for that. We like this. This is fluoride-free charcoal toothpaste. It kind of makes a mess in the sink because yes, it is black, but it's only $1.25, so yay. Then we got some plastic bandages. Told you before, I usually don't use bandages, but I didn't bring my other supplies. So I got 2 things of bandages. Then I got this nighttime cold flu relief. This right here is $1.25. Nobody is sick right now, but this is a great price and it works just like NyQuil or Junior NyQuil. So that is awesome. Got 4 bottles of that. Kind of funny. My daughter who's in front of me, she's 16. She had the cart. She's unloading the cart. I have the backpack and the baby with me. And the lady's like, now who's going to be purchasing these items? Because if it's somebody who's over 18, then I can sell it to them. But if she's going to be buying them, then I can't sell it to her because they have to be over 18. No, I'm standing here for fun, but I understand that she had to like say that, but I was just like, okay. Anyway, so sweet lady though. So my bins, let's see. I got 2 of these. These I'm going to have for the younger kids for cleaning. They had this watercolor paper. I was going to get some at Walmart and forgot, but this paper is really thick. So I just need like watercolor paper. So I will rip these out and let the kids watercolor on this paper. $3 for 24 sheets, but it's very thick and it's very nice. So this is almost like, you could almost make a card out of it. See the size, you could fold this in half, watercolor like this part, and then fold it over, and then even like calligraphy or something in the middle. Or you could like cut in half here, make a little postcard, or just do beautiful art. Excuse me. Here's my hook for the back of my door. I got 3 of these cyclone flyers. I don't know why. These things are fun. So we're gonna do those in the driveway probably. And then only 2 of my children had a ruler, but I didn't want to actually buy a bunch of rulers because I know in July I can usually get rulers for $1/4 a piece. So I bought 1 for myself that I can pass around to other people. So you've probably noticed us cooking. We only have 2 of our cutting board. When we were moving, most of our cutting boards were nasty. So most of them went in the trash. So I bought 4 new cutting boards for people to cut on. So these are the cutting boards. 4 of those. Then this basket. So I got the fluffy duster. Thought that would be fun for the younger kids to dust. The baseboards in this house tend to get dusty, as do just all the cracks and crevices. So, dusters. Then we have tape. Okay, any medical moms are going to totally feel me on this. Azariah has a feral bag. The feral bag needs to be roughly 3 feet above his head wherever he is. So, if he's in a crib and he has the pole next to him, that's great. I've tried different contraptions. If I'm wearing a backpack and pushing the stroller, then it's fine, it's the right height. But issue is if you go to sit down, then the feral bag's gonna try to back up. So things like if you go to church, my husband had like his hand like this and then switched his hand so that I could hold the baby and the feral bag would drain. So electrical tape, usually if you put it on like painted walls or something like that and you try to pull it off, it'll just come right off. So I'm thinking as long as I'm sitting next to a wall, it has become an issue at more than just church. Leaving us just standing there with our arms above our heads. And as much as we like the exercise, you know, it's not exact, it's actually tiring. So anyhow, I bought electrical tape. And I plan on asking, hey, can I tape this to your wall for the service? Or wherever I'm at, like if I'm at, when I go to like Boston Children's, it really needs to be higher, so just like tape it on the wall behind me. Anyway, that's why I bought electrical tape. So 3 rolls for $1. The other day, we had ticks, and after we went on a walk, and I didn't have a long lighter. So now I have a long lighter. And that is not it. I bought a couple things at Walmart too. So let's see.
Don't have those from no mommy.
I got these from, I know they're like Thanksgiving ones, but I like these ones that bend. The ones that were at Walmart were not bendable, and I really like the bendable ones because it can like form the shape of the bowl. And I got those at Dollar Tree. So 2 of them, the big and the small one, for $1. It's called a spatula. And then these are my favorite spoons. These are from Dollar Tree. So I got a bunch of them. 3, because I have a bunch of helpers. 5 and 6. Do you like stirring with spoons like that? And then I got this basket here for $5. So I'm thinking with these 3 baskets, I actually thought I just had 2. I kind of like was debating if I wanted the medium or the small one, but I think it will work fine. So I want to put mail in one so the paperwork and stuff is not right out in your face. And then I want one for keys. And the other one, I'm not entirely sure, but I'm sure it will come in handy. So the other one, I'm not sure, but it will come in handy. So the grand total for this stuff at Dollar Tree was $124.77. So $124.77. And then I'm going to show you, I got a couple things from Walmart. So I got some long metal tongs and then some short tongs here for serving. And then I got a trash can. I needed another trash can. This is going to be for bottles and cans, and it will go next to our current trash can. And then I bought this car seat. I will show this to you once I take it out of the box. This is for Azariah. I like the way that it leans far back like this, and it also has a broad head area, so I will share that with you once I get it out of the box. And then I got this baby mirror for Azariah to look at his cute little face. And then my kids are putting this together. It is a pack and play. I thought I had one that had the insert, and I did not have one that had the insert. So I bought this one. This has an insert and it also has a changing table. So that will be very helpful to have that out here in the living room. And then as he gets bigger and outgrows what he's in right now, he still will be able to be up higher because the bassinet part comes to like here. And he still would be able to be up higher and in our room and fit in the room. Well, that's about it. I'm glad that we have a larger Dollar Tree by us. I can't wait to grab some groceries there. I saw they had some stuff. I want to really see what's in there for finds for groceries. So we'll do that probably next time. Thanks for coming along. Hope you have a blessed day.